Hi everyone, my name is Annika Firestone, and today I'm going to show you how to make Maine Blueberry Cornbread. Let's go! First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a convection oven, so I'm going to turn this down by 25 degrees. Grab a pie pan. I'm using a cast iron, but you can use whatever pan you'd like. Butter it well with a pastry brush, and set that aside when you're finished. Here's a little bit about me. I'm a SNHU alum from the Culinary Arts program. I wrote my first cookbook when I was a senior at SNHU, and since then I turned it into a series called Tempted. To make the cornbread, grab a large mixing bowl and add the flour, cornmeal, sugar, and baking powder. Give that a quick mix and then set it aside. In a medium bowl, add the milk, oil, an egg, give that a quick whisk, and then you're going to grab your dry ingredients and make a small well in the center. Pour the wet ingredients on top and mix this until just combined. We don't want to see any dry spots remaining, but we don't want to overmix either. I chose to share this recipe with you today because it's from my first cookbook, which I wrote when I was at SNHU. It's also inspired by my mom's recipe. She made this for me and my family all the time when growing up in Maine. Next, you're going to grab a small bowl and add the blueberries with a tablespoon of flour. Give that a quick toss and then add it to the batter. We're only going to mix this about 3 to 4 times because we don't want the berries to bleed into the batter. Next, grab your pie pan from earlier and transfer the batter into the buttered pan. Bake this for about 40 minutes until golden brown. If you want to, you can check the center with a wooden skewer. Keep in mind everyone's oven's a little different, so you can check it early if you'd like, or you may need a few more minutes. Remove from the oven and let sit for at least 10 minutes before you cut it. Slice and serve warm with butter or top with some milk. Thank you so much for baking with me. If you'd like to make more recipes like this, check out my cookbook series at thetemptedseries.com. Enjoy and stay tempted.